guys, this is Cox Motor from Automart in Blackpool. Just starting off this video by showing you around a brilliant Audi A4 that we've recently taken in part exchange. It's a 2014 model 2-litre diesel SE. It's got just under 60,000 miles on the clock, showing 59. That I'll show you shortly. It's an absolutely brilliant, tidy car. So if you're looking for like a motorway runner that's got excellent MPG, because it can achieve up to 65 miles depending on how you're driving. It's very good on road tax. It's only £30 per year. Massive boot space and good space in the back and good space in the front as well. So if you're looking for a reliable family runner, or you're looking for something that's going to do the distance on the motorway, look no further. So I'll start by going round to the back of the car. There's the odd small little mark on it here and there that I'll show you shortly, but for a 7-year-old car with 60,000 miles, everything else is spot on. Tyres are in excellent condition, and so are all the alloys. I'll show you now. That is the passenger's rear, spot on there. There's no dents or major scuffs as well, which is always good to know. That is the passenger's front alloy. Coming round now to the front of the car. Just showing you around the driver's front on there. And then the driver's rear as well. So I did a full sweep of the video as well just before I started off, and there was some very minor little marks which was just on the rear side, as you can see there, and a very minor stone chip here. There will of course be maybe the odd small little mark here and there like I mentioned, but like I said, for a 7-year-old car with 60,000 miles, it's absolutely spot on. I can confirm as well that the car comes with 2 keys. It also came in as a part exchange through our main Seat dealership, which is just there. So we're a massive branch here at Cox Motor Group in Blackpool for the Automart side. So we've got the main Seat dealership, the main Honda bikes, the paint and body clinic, Seat service, Honda service, and the main Honda dealership as well. So we're a massive site here at Cox Motor Group in Blackpool. We offer extensive finance packages as well that we can put on this car for you. If you actually have finance on your current car as well, we can actually pay the finance off for you, take your car in as part exchange, and set you up on a brand new finance agreement for this model. I'll come round now to the driver's side and just go through some of the features with you. So being the SE model, the main features that you get with the car are Bluetooth, hands-free telephone. You've also got cruise control, and you've got rear parking sensors, and the car was actually fitted with the winter pack extra, which is front heated seats, which is a really nice feature. Coming around now to the back of the car, so there's no rips or scuffs or tears in any of the seats, which is really good. I can confirm as well that it's there's no evidence that it's ever been smoked in, which is really nice to know. Coming around back now to the driver's side. Absolutely brilliant condition on there. We've also got a nice added extra of having automatic lights as well, and your window switch and mirrors are on this side here. You've got an automatic boot release as well, so if you're ever picking anybody up and they need to put some shopping straight into the back of the car, you just pull that little lever. Coming around now to passenger side. Absolutely spot on, very tidy. So brilliant condition for the interior, and excellent condition as well on the rear. I'll just show you now your boot space. Confirm as well the car comes with the rear parking sensors, as you can see there, and they work perfectly. Massive amounts of boot space, so I'll come back a little bit, as you can see. And I can confirm as well that the vehicle comes with a space saver spare wheel, so that's always nice to know, a nice bit of added security. It's a little bit windy today here in Blackpool. Right. So, coming in now, just having a seat in the driver's seat, so I can confirm the mileage on the car, 59,336, which is absolutely brilliant mileage for a car of this age. It should be touching right around 100,000, but like I mentioned, very low mileage, very tidy car. So I'll just go in now by starting the car up, pop the key into the slot here. There we go. We're all started up. So you have your main infotainment centre on here. So now that's how you just switch between your digital radio and your Bluetooth and your infotainment. You can also have a look at the car setup as well, which then you'll be able to look at MPGs, distance of trip, so for trip computer. Main buttons and controls on here just for adjusting your dual zone climate control. So if you want the heaters on, the fans on, so you push that button there, switches to 1, and you just turn it up on here, so pop the aircon on, which absolutely works brilliantly. And then the switches down here for the front seated seats, as you can see there for the passenger, and there for the driver. You've also got a electronic parking brake, and it's a 6-speed diesel manual 2 litre. You also get the option of having the stop start, so if you don't want that to happen on your journey, you just push that little button there. So like I mentioned, just under 60,000 miles, 59,336. So brilliant mileage that's on the car. I can confirm as well that it's recently been serviced and MOT'd by our main Seat workshops. They look after all the Volkswagen, Audi cars that come into us. So all the service team are professionally trained in how to look after them. So like I mentioned, really nice tidy car, 2 keys, brilliant history, only £30 a year road tax. So if you're interested in this vehicle and want to have a look at some of the finance options, please give myself, Cork Shelton, or Martin Cook a call on 01253 600 900, and if you'd like to make an appointment to come down and have a look at the car, please give us a ring and we'll book you in for a time. Thanks so much, take care guys, bye bye.